Hello, and this is Dude 101, Commander Karen, and Dude 102, and we are making a new series called The Nerd Herd, and this is the first edition of The Nerd Herd. And so, for The Nerd Herd, I'm talking right now, so you see an icon at the bottom of the screen. That is my icon. If you see that icon, you know I am talking. Commander, say something so your icon comes
Hey
up.
guys, Commander Carrot here, and my icon will probably be a manatee eating a carrot, so I'll just do that. That'll pop up. And Dude 102 will now talk.
Hi, I'm Dude 102. Today, in this edition, we'll be discussing the fourth and fifth states of matter, and what they are, and why they exist, pretty much.
So a common misconception with the fourth state of matter, it's called plasma, is that this is actually a compound or a substance, but it's actually the fourth state of matter.
And we are,
We had a little trouble there.
Yeah, that's why I kind of seemed to jump. But anyway, my chemistry teacher at school, she said that plasma is not a state of matter. It is just superheated gas forming a new substance that's not either liquid.
Gas.
Yeah, a
is
superheated
a new
gas.
substance.
Because it's not solid, liquid, or gas, so technically it'd make the new state of matter or plasma. So she was wrong about that.
Don't trust chemistry teachers on this kind of things.
They're
chemistry teachers.
They're not science teachers.
And anyway,
chemistry is science.
She ended up getting fired since she was really just a freshman in college, not a grad student. So anyway, that's another reason that she was wrong. But an example of the fourth state of matter are stars, fire, lightning, things like that. They aren't solid, liquid, nor gas. They're superheated. And stars are plasma.
Stars are made of plasma.
Yeah.
Now we'll talk about the fifth.
The fifth state of matter. Nobody could hear that.
He was whacking my chair.
Okay, stop it.
So the fifth state of matter is when something gets relatively, within a billionth of a degree, close to absolute zero, which is without any heat energy. It's where molecules have no movement and they sort of start clumping together.
It's the same
as super dense.
It's the same as zero on Kelvin Scale.
And the Kelvin scale is probably the best. Zero is absolute zero because people think Celsius is good. 100 being boiling, 0 being freezing temperature, but then you still get into negatives. And you have to deal with, like on the Fahrenheit scale, negative 400 and something happens to be 0 Kelvin and not just 0. So, and the Kelvin scale is very precise and it's nice because it makes more sense and stuff. But, so that's what happens with Bose-Einstein. We've come very close to making it.
We didn't even tell them it was called Bose-Einstein yet, so they don't know what you're talking about.
Bose-Einstein is the fifth state of matter. It comes when exact zero.
Explained by me.
Explained by Dude 102. But anyway, what was I going to say? The Bose-Einstein, we've come to it once, or very close to it, so it's still theory. But
no, they actually created it once.
Oh, but they've made it for a very brief moment, and it doesn't occur naturally yet. We haven't found a place in the universe where it occurs naturally.
Yeah, it's when the molecules begin to clump together. I don't really know everything about it, so
look it up.
You could look it up for more information on it. And technically it's the first state of matter because it comes first on the temperature scale.
And the chart on the screen shows that right now.
Yeah.
But so
if I can find a chart with that on it. Most charts don't even have that on it.
Create a chart.
But so that's on the chart on the screen. So that was for the first edition of the Nerd Herd.
Next edition will be
about we're going to disprove Einstein's theory about the fourth dimension on the next edition. So I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe if you want more of these type of videos.
You probably don't.
I hope you learned something because that's the purpose of these videos.
It's the weekend and we're doing this.
Yeah.
So what?
Sad.
Nerds.
Nerds.
Nerds.